Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Transform your outdoor space with stylish and durable fencing ideas. Best garden fencing for yard options can boost privacy, improve security, and add charm to any landscape. From decorative panels to sturdy barriers, these picks help create a beautiful and functional yard you'll enjoy every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Getlay Tall Garden Fencing for Yard. The Getlay Tall Garden Fencing for Yard is a practical and stylish option for homeowners who want reliable outdoor protection without sacrificing appearance. Built from thickened iron material with a rust-resistant coating, this fencing set feels sturdy enough to handle changing weather conditions while maintaining its decorative look over time. The 48-inch height provides excellent coverage for flower beds, vegetable gardens, pathways, and even pet areas. One standout feature is the included gate, which makes entering and exiting the fenced area much more convenient compared to traditional garden borders. The extra insertion bars also allow you to customize the layout into different shapes, making it adaptable for both large and compact yards. Installation is refreshingly simple since no tools are required, and the panels connect quickly with sturdy poles that hold everything securely in place. It also works well as a temporary outdoor pet fence for camping or travel. Number 2. CLEASO Dig Garden Fencing for Yard. The CLEASO Dig Garden Fencing for Yard offers a simple and efficient solution for protecting outdoor spaces while adding a clean, decorative touch to the landscape. Its no-dig installation design is one of its strongest advantages, allowing users to set up the fence quickly by pushing the stakes directly into the ground without damaging the yard. The coated metal construction gives the fence excellent resistance against rust and harsh weather, making it dependable for long-term outdoor use throughout the seasons. The sleek black panels create a polished appearance that blends nicely with flower beds, patios, pathways, and garden borders. Beyond appearance, the fence works effectively as a protective barrier to help keep pets or small animals away from restricted areas. The modular panel system also adds flexibility because the sections can be rearranged into different shapes depending on the layout of the yard. Whether used as a decorative border or a practical pet barrier, this fencing set balances durability, convenience, and visual appeal.
Number 3. Jinligogo Decorative Garden Fencing for Yard. The Jinligogo Decorative Garden Fencing for Yard is designed for homeowners who want both protection and decorative charm in their outdoor spaces. Made from rust-proof wrought iron, this fence delivers strong durability without the maintenance problems often associated with wooden fencing. It resists fading, warping, and rotting, which makes it a dependable long-term option for gardens and patios. The spear-topped picket design gives the fence a more elegant appearance while also helping create a stronger barrier for pets and small animals. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly because the pre-assembled panels easily anchor into the ground using stakes, eliminating the need for digging or complicated tools. The sturdy structure performs well in harsh weather conditions and helps keep gardens secure year-round. Another useful feature is the customizable layout, allowing users to connect additional panels and create different shapes or lengths depending on their outdoor setup. Whether used around flower beds, play areas, pathways, or patios, this fencing adds both beauty and functionality. Overall, it is an excellent option for anyone seeking a decorative garden fence that is durable, secure, and easy to install. Number 4. Jotesnew 16GA Garden Fencing for Yard. The Jotesnew 16GA Garden Fencing for Yard is a durable and versatile fencing solution built for homeowners who need strong protection for gardens, property lines, or outdoor projects. Constructed from heavy-duty 16-gauge galvanized steel wire, this fence is designed to provide excellent strength and long-lasting performance. The double-coated vinyl finish adds another layer of rust resistance, helping the fence withstand outdoor conditions over time without losing durability. Its 2x3-inch mesh design works well for protecting gardens from small animals while still maintaining visibility and airflow. The lightweight construction also makes handling and installation much easier compared to heavier fencing materials. One of the most useful features is its flexibility, as the roll can be cut and customized into different sizes or shapes to fit specific gardening or fencing needs. Whether used as a protective garden barrier, underground gopher mesh, or property divider, it adapts well to different outdoor applications. The ability to roll it up for storage or transport also adds convenience. Overall, this fencing option is practical, sturdy, and highly adaptable for a wide variety of yard and garden uses.
Number 5. KYATE Rustproof Garden Fencing for Yard. The KYATE Rustproof Garden Fencing for Yard is a dependable choice for homeowners looking for stronger protection against pets and small animals while maintaining an attractive garden appearance. With each panel measuring 33 inches high, the fence offers better coverage than many standard garden barriers, helping prevent larger dogs from entering restricted areas. The narrow 1.4-inch spacing between the bars adds extra security by reducing gaps that smaller animals could slip through. Built from high-quality, rust-proof metal, the fence is designed to remain sturdy and reliable even through harsh weather conditions. The thickened metal stakes provide strong ground support and help keep the panels stable without bending easily. Installation is simple and beginner-friendly since the panels connect quickly using included stakes, allowing users to customize the layout into different shapes and lengths. Its classic black finish also blends nicely with gardens, patios, pathways, and outdoor decor. Beyond pet control, it works effectively for protecting flowers, vegetables, and trees from unwanted animal damage. Overall, this fencing set combines durability, flexibility, and decorative appeal, making it a practical solution for both garden protection and outdoor landscaping. Whether you want more privacy, better security, or a stylish touch for your outdoor space, the right fence can completely transform your yard. Each option offers something unique to match different needs and budgets. Pick the design that fits your space best and enjoy a more beautiful, protected, and inviting garden area.